The development is coming together really quickly. The team down here have been really busy.
Everyone's been working around the clock in order to try and hit deadlines and meet the construction program. Coordination of over 800 truck movements per day is no easy feat.
Wow, Tom, the Acuna Vista site looks really different since we were last here. What major milestones have been completed in the recent months?
There's been some real distinctive differences which have occurred recently, such as the laying of the curb and gutters and the levelling of the roads ready for the asphalt.
What can we expect to see come to life at Acuna Vista in the next couple of months?
The development's really going to start to feel like a place to call home, with the commencement of Stage 1 landscaping works, with the planting and the open space greenery areas, as well as the installation of the bike paths.
Registration of title is coming up shortly. Why is this an important step for the development?
This is a really exciting milestone, and it's where the legal right to own a property is registered in the Land Agency of New South Wales. It is anticipated that titles for Stage 1 will be registered in a few months' time. Works on site have been powering ahead, with the majority of the construction works for Stage 1 to be completed in time for Easter.